We will be installing the Amonly LED fog lights for 2008-2010 Ford F250. These go right next to the D-rings in the front bumper, right in those little areas circled there. You will need a ratchet and a 1/2 and 5/16 socket. This plate you see has 3 bolts, and each one will need removed in order to get access to where the lights will need to go. These lights take 3 bolts, 2 at the bottom, 1 at the top, to go in. And they do come with plug and play, but my truck didn't have a wiring harness for that, so I ended up having to splice and solder mine together. There's a screw here in the middle of the casing. You can twist it to adjust your beam to go lower or higher. And now that you have the lights in place, you can bolt it in. Now that the plate is back in and everything's bolted in, it should look like this. And of course, we test them to make sure that they work properly. I know these do come with the ability to be on with your running lights, and then there's the fog beams, and they have turn signal as well, but I don't have daily of running lights, so I can only have the turn signals and the fog lights work for me. But there you have it. That's how you install them. Thanks for watching.